seconds. Just give me 10 seconds. But you know what? Before we get into it, let me get some light going on in here. Bam! All right, that's a little more light. And look we got a great scene back here of all the calamari. So real quick, what I want to talk to you about is the fact that I'm so tired of us not supporting each other, right? You ever go to Facebook, you join a group, and you're like, okay, I'm so motivated. You join a life coaching group, you join a psychology group, you join a therapy group, you join a fitness group, whatever the group is, and then you post something, and because you talk about your business or you put a link to something, it gets deleted. I am absolutely sick of my posts being deleted. I'm creating Coach's Circle. I got absolutely sick and tired of joining Facebook groups and my posts being deleted just because I referenced my website or what I do or something like that. I realize that all of these Facebook groups only are out for themselves. It's kind of cutthroat, and I don't like that. Okay, business is business, I understand that, but I wanted a place that we can all come and collaborate. We can all come and learn from each other and be able to do things with each other and sparked intellectual conversations with each other, things like that. So I created Coach's Circle. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm so excited, and I can't wait till we get 200 members joining up. So let me talk real quick about Coach's Circle. We're going to have a few things that we're going to offer every member of Coach's Circle. One is going to be a forum. So you can come, you can talk, you can collaborate, you can post the links to your website, you can post articles that you've written, you can post the link to the book that you wrote, whatever you want to post about your business, all right? You can put there in the forum, hopefully other coaches. And this isn't just life coaches. This is anyone that's in the business of helping other people, right? You can come and collaborate there and share your ideas, share your business, all of that stuff. The second thing is we're going to have a monthly blog, right? So every 2 weeks, right? So bi-weekly, we're going to have a blog post, and the intent of the blog post is for you to be able to just copy and paste what's in that blog post and put it on your website, put it on your Facebook group, whatever you want to do with it, you just copy and paste it. The only thing you have to do is make sure that you cite the author, right? And we have a few people that volunteered to write some articles, and they're going to get a discounted monthly membership. So if that's something you're interested in, you can be on the list. All right. The next thing is going to be monthly. We're going to do video seminars to help you grow your business or your mindset, right? Help you grow what you do. So this could be a video on advertising on Facebook. I'll get somebody that I collaborate with that's a marketer, and he or she will do a video just specifically on how to advertise better on Facebook. It could be a video on mindset. It can be a video on your niche even, all right? But what we'll do is we'll offer you a video to help you grow as a person and to help you grow your business. That's gonna be absolutely amazing. So I'm excited for it. There's nothing out there like it, okay? It's not this cutthroat business thing. I don't need the money. I just wanna see people help other people. And it's going to be amazing. We're going to grow this community to infinity and beyond. All right, so go to www.upana.net, right? Unlimited Potential Network Academy.net, and go to Coach's Circle. Sign up. Peace.